The whole world is working to combat the coronavirus. AirSentry is a system that works behind the scenes using well-proven techniques to maintain room air as near sterile, ultra clean, which means that there's no virus in the general room air. And no virus in the air means it can't be breathed in and it can't fall on surfaces. AirSentry supplements good infection control practice. It does not replace it. The system is modular and as a base unit is normally wall mounted, but we've also developed a mobile version which allows it to be deployed very rapidly into any area. Both our fixed and mobile systems are regulatory compliant with the regulations required by the UK NHS, and of course the system is also CE marked and tested to a very high level for its filtration capability. So how does it work? What you see in front of you is a computer mock-up of a room, in this case an intensive care room, but it can be an operating theatre, outpatients, oncology, etc. The system is placed away from the work area, which is counterintuitive, but it starts to pull dirty air down towards the floor and into the unit. This pulling of the air gets across all the work surfaces, but most importantly, it gets into the corner of the rooms, the areas that tend to stagnate with conventional airflow systems. And it produces a rotational airflow that gets from the ceiling around the entire room back towards the filter. This air is pushed up towards the ceiling and over the area of interest, over the patient, over the work area. However, this airflow is not just a circular one which is getting into the entire room, it's also cyclonic, rotational. And so it's cleaning and diffusing the entire room air in every single filter passed. It takes about 10 minutes of operation for AirSentry to reach a point where it's main of ultra cleanliness in room air, in an intensive care room as an example, or around a nurse station. It then takes a further 20 minutes for it to maintain that, but the system is designed to run 24/7 and it has a mean time to failure rate, as long as it's serviced, of 10 years. We've geared up production, we've shortened delivery times and we've dropped our cost because we're trying to help as best we can. Why not give us a call today? We can supply references from existing users.